Hello friends, this is Ernest. I am going to configure static routing for these three networks, for these three network, and each of the network will have its own DHCP set on the router to list IP addresses to any device that request to connect within that subnet. So without any waste of time, we are going to begin. So I will start with router 1. Okay, enable config terminal. Okay, so I've written my script. Good. So that is configured, and I'm going to use IP DHCP exclude some IP addresses. I would like the DHCP to start giving addresses from 20. So that is done. So you can see the command here, IP DHCP exclude address. Then you specify the address you want to exclude, and you see that is that's how you can define the start address on the DHCP using command line. So we're going to get into this other interface, and after that my command will exit and then write changes to the router. So let me okay, this is down because this one need to be set up then before it will come up. So now let's get to the next one, router 2 command line, enable terminal, enable config terminal. Okay, so okay, so that is done. We're also gonna apply the same thing. We're gonna exclude some addresses from 2 to 19, and then the DHCP will start listing from 20, and to do that, like I said, this is the command right here, IP DHCP excluded address. Then you specify the address range that you want to exclude. Yeah. So I want to go into another interface. Good. So that interface come up now. So the easiest way to do this thing is to write down all this the script, and then makes everything beautiful. Good. So let's go to router 3. So when this one will come up, then this will come up. enable, config terminal, okay. The same principle for all of them. Good. So you can see that all of them have come up. Now let's configure the workstation so that they can receive addresses. So come here, let's go to DHCP. Good. You see that our first IP address is 20. Very good. Okay, very good. $21. Very good. That was cool. $20 for this network. $21. $20. $21. That's good. So right now you cannot ping from one network to the other. So that's why we are going to do the static routing. So for this network to send a packet to this network, we need the IP route, that network marks of the network destination network, and the next hop. Okay, so let's begin. So come here, okay, config the IP route, so this router want to send information to this network here, so write the network 192.168.2.0 255.255.255.0. the hop is 10, next hop is 10.10.1.2. okay, that's it. Now we'll see for it to send information to this other network, we'll have to say IP route okay 192.168.3.0 255.255.255.0, and then next hop is same 10.10.1.2. good. Now we move to the second router. Config terminal IP route. Now we want to send information to this network here. So IP route 192.168.1.0, 255.255.255.0. Next up, 10.10.1.1. So the same thing, we're gonna send it to router 3 from here. So IP route 192.168.3.0, 255.255.255.0. Next hop will be 10.10.2.2. Okay, now we go to router 3. Config T IP route. Now when I send it to this network here, router 2, 192.168.2.0, 255.255.255.0. Next hop is 10.10.2.1. Okay, now I want to send it to this router 1. So IP route 192.168.1.0, 255.255.255.0. Next hop 10.10.2.1. Good. So now we have set up our static route. Let's quickly ping router 1, PC1 from here. Let me ping PC from PC1 here. I'll ping IP config. Okay, so ping 192.168.2.20 because that's the first IP. Okay, it got it. So it works. So let's ping it on router 3, which is 3.20. So it's gonna drop some packet and eventually recognize it. Yep, it got it. So you see we can ping from PC0 to PC4. Good. So friends, that is how you do this configuration of a static route. I just decided to add the third router to make it a little bit complex, but we'll continue to build until we reach a very complex level. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Thank you so much.